What's going on, guys? The Anthony here with evolutiontraders.com. A little housekeeping before I get into the video recap. If you are interested in joining the Evolution Traders team, where you get access to the mentorship coaching program, the lessons, the strategy guides, the everything, the watch list, that link is down in the description box below. I only got one spot left. Let's talk about the NQ. I'm going to be doing these daily recaps. You guys already know what strategy I'm going to be using here, but I want to show you why, if you did not make any money today, it is purely your fault. Again, take responsibility, take accountability for the trades that you are taking. Either you lost money because you got shaken out of a position because you were playing way too many contracts, which I see so many traders doing. You're impatient. Fix that issue, and then you're going to make a lot more money. If we look at the market going back to 5:30 in the morning, again, for all of you guys who trade futures, if you're not going to be up an hour before the market and you're going to come into the day's trading session right at the market open, you need to scroll back to 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? If you are trading in the pre-market, you need to keep your eyes on the 5:30 a.m. candle, because normally we've got news. Normally we've got, numbers or something that's coming out an hour before. Typically, right? And you're going to also see a good directional bias coming off of that. So notice the flush candle that we had at 5:30. This is a classic trap for the short sellers, because you get that initial trap and we put in that big bottom wick and then we start to bounce. We bounce right into the 20 SMA. We lose the 20 SMA. We have a little bit of a short position between 15,961 all the way down to 15,936. So almost about 25 points there. If you did catch it, congratulations. Now I want to show you the first setup that happens at 6:35 a.m. If you guys are following this strategy, my question to you is, why are you not taking these trades each and every single time they present themselves? Why are you cherry picking plays? Why are you letting some trades go because there's too much risk, or you don't think that the market's going higher, or you're waiting for the back test? What are you waiting for? The chart is showing you in front of your face that it's time to go long. Why is it time to go long? It's a short-term change in trend. We're closing back over the 20 SMA. Even if this trade fails and it comes back down and breaks this trend line, so be it. Now you know that the trend is going down, so you can flip your bias and play to the short side. I don't understand why so many traders want to wait for the breakdown here because you think it's going lower, when the market is clearly showing you on the chart that it's going higher. Again, your entry should have been here on the 6:40 a.m. candle. Anything over 15,985, 984, something in that range, right? 983. You get into this candle. What's your stop loss? We're going to use a 1-bar stop system. 982 is your entry. Your stop loss is sitting down here at 960. You're looking for around 22 points at a 1-to-1. 22 points hits from the 982, 983 all the way up here in this first 5-minute candle. Guys, you would have started the day profitable 1-to-1 and taking 20 points out of the market. Then we pull back. Remember the video that I made yesterday. When we pull back, are we losing a prior swing low, or are we just pulling back into support? Again, most of you guys think that this is a trap for the longs, and you guys want to start waiting for the short position or start shorting stock here, and then you get trapped. Notice when we take out a previous swing high, there's another area of opportunity here to get long. Notice how after the first hour candle, again, if you missed the long setup, what are you waiting for? First hour highs, first hour lows. Do they get confirmed? Do we have space? Are you going to take the trade? Yes or no? What's your risk? It's simple, guys. It's very, very simple. We confirmed the first hour highs at 16,027. And even if you were looking for your reason why candle, okay, so how do you play a reason why candle on something that's not a 20 play? Well, it's simple. If you're looking to get in over the first hour highs, how big is this candle? 995 all the way up here to 946. This is a 50-point stop loss. So how many contracts can you trade at a 50-point stop loss? If you're trading one micro contract, you're going to lose $100 for the trade. If you're playing two, it's $200. How much are you prepared to lose? Now we're looking to target 50 points. As soon as we start to get above those first hour highs and we start to really punch higher, you want to get in at the price of 1630 all the way up to around 1645. Now let's just kind of play this out for the sake of the math. Do you get 50 points? Even if we're getting in at the top wick here at 16,047, 57 is 10 points, 67 is 20 points, 77 is 30 points, 87 is 40 points, 97 is 50 points. Guys, you would have made a 1-to-1. You should be up 70 points on a day and enjoying your Friday and enjoying your weekend. Then we pull back again, once again, into the rising 20. We do bounce. This is an area of opportunity here. Again, a little bit more of an advanced strategy here to take the green candle over the close off of support. It's a little bit more advanced. I'm not even going to touch bases on that. If you guys want to learn that type of strategy, join Evolution Traders. We do get the short position here. Now, I actually did go short this morning, but I was not looking for an all-day move. I was not looking for a continuation to the downside. All I was looking at was this trend line where we touched here, we touched here, we touched here. We were riding up it. As soon as we broke, I just went full force. I went 3 mini contracts. I took this little breakdown here and got close to 20 points on the move. You can see that once we started to break the trend line, you can see clearly we were holding this area all day. As soon as we broke down, I was in on the first move here and just took my profits on the way down. Notice how when I'm talking about this particular short setup, I'm not saying that I'm waiting for it to close and I want to see confirmation, let's go down, and I'm looking at one of these price targets. I'm looking for a scalp. Why am I looking for a scalp? Because I'm going against the trend. I'm not trying to catch an all-day move here. If I can catch 8 points, 10 points, 12 points, 20 points on heavy size through a move that has been holding on through a zone that has been holding, I'm looking to get in and get out as fast as possible. What I want to do is enter in the party. I don't want no one to see me. I want to take my food, I want to take my drinks, and I want to get out of there. Why? Because the longer I stick around in an uptrend, the higher the likelihood is that I'm going to get stopped out. Look at the last 20 play that set up here, guys, at 9:25 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It didn't actually confirm till 9:40, 9:45. You could have taken this play here back over the 20, use a previous swing low as a stop, use a one bar stop system as your reason to get out. 16,045 all the way up here to 16,063. Let's just call it 65 for the sake of the video. 20 points is what you were looking for on a 1-to-1 here. When do we get the 20 points? 72 is 10 points. 82 is 20 points. Guys, you would have taken profits here at 1050, 20 points here, potentially 90 points that you could have taken out of the market. Even if you ignored the short setup because you wanted to stick with the trend, there was one trade here. There was a second trade here, again, for a little bit more advanced scalpers, but you got, your full 70 points here. You got your full 20 points here. That's 90 points. And we're going to just ignore this setup here. Just stay to the fact that you wanted to stay with the trend. Guys, stick with the trend, trust the charts, trust your technical analysis, and trust your risk management. The whole reason why we have risk management is to protect us, to keep us in the game, to allow us to take trades without the hesitation of fear of losing. If you guys are serious and you want to learn and you want to actually start practicing, what I'm preaching, you want to actually start learning yourself and actually make money, allow yourself to make money. So many of you guys out there are not even allowing yourself the opportunity to be profitable because you're in your heads so much. All we are is an operator. As a day trader, all I am is operating, right? So I'm looking at a big piece of machinery here and all I have to do is operate the machinery. I have no idea if the chart's going to set up, if it's going to confirm, if it's going to continue, if it's going to lose. All I can do is read the candlesticks, read the price action, and protect myself with a stop loss. And then next thing you know, you let the trades work out. If they lose, so what? In your trading plan, you should have that, if I lose $150 or I lose $250 on the day, I'm just going to stop trading. That's going to keep you in the game to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. If you guys are looking for some type of secret potion, some type of secret success, some secret strategy out there, it's not going to happen. It's really not going to happen. Every day is different. Every day is going to provide opportunities to go both long and short. So please, allow yourself to be profitable. Don't get yourself in a habit of trying to guess where the market is going, guys. It's in front of your face. It's in front of the charts, right? Have a system, have an edge, and operate that edge to perfection. The better you get at operating your strategy, the better you're going to be as a day trader. If you guys want to join Evolution Traders, I have one space available in 2023. Enrollment will be closed after that. Take advantage. The link is down in the description box below. To everyone else, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content. I'm working my ass off here around the clock on technical analysis, on trainings, on mindset, on psychology. I'm doing this all for you. Why? Because I am looking to build a solid team of traders at Evolution Traders that can not only help you make money, help the next person make money, help me make money, help the other person make money. The better off that we work together as a team, the more we are all going to profit. Trust me, the more eyes you have on these charts, the more analysis that you get, the more confidence that we get as a team, we will continue to kill it and make money. But you have to accept what the candlesticks are doing, and you have to accept the strategy, and you have to accept risk management and accept technical analysis is our friend. It's our friend, guys. I'll see all of you guys on the next one.